Are you looking for the best pressure washers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pressure washers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Simpson Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot Gas Pressure Washer. This is what we'd call a prosumer level machine, one that provides professional grade performance that contractors and landscapers could rely on, but is designed to be accessible for everyday homeowners who want serious cleaning power. A Honda engine is one hallmark of a high-quality gas-powered pressure washer, and this model's GX200 engine has enough power to generate 3,300 psi and 2.5 GPM. This combination of high pressure and flow rate makes it ideal for tackling tough outdoor cleaning tasks like stripping away peeling paint, deep cleaning concrete driveways and walkways, as well as similar elements like stone retaining walls, removing stubborn stains from patio furniture, and washing large vehicles or RVs. The main factor that differentiates this option from the other consumer-level options included here, apart from the impressive output, is superior construction and mobility features. The welded steel frame and stainless steel components ensure long-term durability, compared units that use a higher quantity of plastic elements, while pneumatic tires make it easy to maneuver across various types of terrain. Although I don't have current hands-on experience with this exact model, the PowerShot 3228, former senior home editor Roy Berenson did run a very similar version, the Simpson MegaShot MSH 3125 pressure washer, through a rigorous testing process. He was impressed with the machine's combination of both quality and power. This version's engine automatically shuts down if the oil level gets too low, preventing serious damage. While low oil shutoff is becoming more common, it's still a particularly valuable safety feature that sets this one apart from budget models. The non-marring hose is abrasion resistant, which helps extend its lifespan, but our test team, in general, finds the Simpson hoses to be especially stiff. It can take some time to break them in. In conclusion, if you're looking for a pressure washer that delivers professional-level performance without the professional-grade price tag, this model gets the job done. It's our best overall because it strikes the ideal balance between power, durability, and user-friendly design, giving you the cleaning capability to handle any residential task, while being tough enough to last for years, as long as you follow the recommended maintenance. The Honda engine reliability, safety features, robust construction, and 3-year warranty make this a standout choice for homeowners who want to invest in quality equipment that won't let them down. Key specs: Type Power Weight Cleaning Power Max Flow Rate. Gas 196cc engine 77 pounds 3,300 psi 2.5 GPM. Number 2. Greenworks Pro GPW 3001 Pressure Washer. If you're looking for cleaning power similar to a gas-powered machine but with the simplicity and low maintenance of an electric model, this Greenworks machine is a fantastic option. Capable of generating 3,000 psi and a 2.0 GPM flow rate, although I've found that this GPM only applies to its lowest pressure setting, and when at max psi, the flow rate decreases to 1.1 GPM. This pressure washer can handle a wide variety of medium and light-duty applications. In addition to its high power and volume output, I also appreciated the always-running motor and the wand's pressure sensor that automatically adjusts the output to match the current nozzle, minimizing that annoying shaking and jostling of less efficient washers. The attached 1-gallon soap container, larger than the Craftsman or Sun Joe versions, makes it especially useful for vehicle cleaning, launching a steady stream of suds onto your car, truck, or RV. The unit itself sits on fat 10-inch wheels, convenient for maneuverability and traversing curbs and uneven ground, and lays down flat for extra stability during operation. Although at 52 pounds, it's heavier than the other electric models. The durable steel braided hose stood out as well and felt more durable than any other in my testing pool. You're also getting an impressive 10-year motor warranty, 3 years for the tools. If you want to beef up its patio and driveway cleaning abilities, Greenworks also offers a compatible 15-inch surface cleaner attachment. While DeWalt's DWPW 3000 offers the same PSI and GPM, its smaller soap tank, less convenient accessory usability. You must disassemble the wand in order to fit in its storage compartment, and the tips are stored on the handle itself. Unlike the easy access layout of the Greenworks, and shorter warranty gave the Greenworks the edge as best overall electric. Key specs: type power, weight, cleaning power, max flow rate. Corded electric 14 amp 52 pounds 3000 psi 2.0 GPM. Number 3. Craftsman 1900 psi electric pressure washer. Despite a reasonably low price, this Craftsman still stacks up as a suitable choice if you don't want a higher-end machine with a bigger price tag. While we didn't have hands-on experience with this particular 1900 model, we did test the 2100 psi version, which is widely unavailable right now, and the reason we swapped in this stocked one, and found it boasts enough power to handle mid-duty jobs, and a light, easy-to-handle design. The 1900 comes with 3 nozzles including a turbo option. Of all the nozzles that we tried out on the 2100 model, we had the best results with the turbo, rotating blast, which proved decently adept at cleaning concrete. We also used it to remove the grime from an outdoor concrete patio table. Also, the large, easy-access detergent tank on top of the machine is removable for easy cleaning when you're finished. The main drawback to this 1900 pressure washer, as well as the 2100 version, is the high quantity of plastic components compared to similar electric models like the more rugged DeWalt and Greenworks machines. I'm particularly concerned with the slide-on spray wand mount, which appears to lack the security and long-term durability I'd prefer. Key specs: type power, weight, cleaning power, max flow rate. Corded electric 13 amp 29.4 pounds 1900 psi 1.2 GPM. Number 4. Sun Joe Xtream electric pressure washer. For the occasional furniture cleaning or car washing project on your to-do list, the Sun Joe could be just the right product. After a weekend of testing, I found this model to be perfectly sufficient for these light-duty jobs, and the low weight made it especially convenient to lift and carry around. What impressed me during testing was the overall ergonomic design: a wide carrying handle up top, easy access twin soap dispensers on the front, as well as the front-mounted hose port, plus the large control dial front and center, which makes this one of the easier-to-use models I evaluated. If this is your first pressure washer, or you don't plan on using it often enough to warrant a steep learning curve, this user-friendly design is a major perk. That said, I found that this model tipped over easily on grass or other uneven surfaces due to small wheels and its vertical configuration, so it's best confined to working on pavement. Although the dual soap tanks are convenient, most pressure washers only offer one. The Sun Joe's cord and hose storage options were less effective than the higher-end DeWalt or Greenworks machines, and more likely to fall off while rolling. However, as long as you're realistic about this pressure washer's limitations, and don't expect to run it hard all day, the Sun Joe gets the job done well. Key specs: type power, weight, cleaning power, max flow rate. Corded electric 13 amp 26.2 pounds 2030 psi 1.76 GPM. Number 5. EGO Power Plus 3200 psi electric pressure washer. If you're interested in the convenience and mobility of a cordless model, but want a little more power and runtime than a typical battery-powered machine, I recommend this EGO model. Right out of the box, I was immediately impressed with the overall build quality of this sturdy little machine, especially compared to the lighter-duty Craftsman and Sun Joe machines. I appreciated the metal components of the wand and the user-friendly quick-connect adapters on the high-pressure hose. The easily accessible nozzle storage was another nice perk, as well as the fact that the dedicated rinse and soap nozzles connected to the handle itself, instead of the end of the wand, making them a lot easier to direct and maneuver. Assembly was practically non-existent, requiring just a quick attachment of the wand holder, using the 4 included screws, and the telescoping handle and wheels made it easy to traverse curbs and grassy lawns. With no power or extension cords to deal with, setting up the EGO Power Plus was easier than other types of pressure washers, and with its included siphon hose, you can draw water from a bucket or other fresh water source, making it ideal for tasks like mobile car detailing or washing a boat at a dock. For extended projects, EGO's 60-minute runtime claim seems accurate enough in my testing, but only at lower pressure, and full-on turbo mode will drain the batteries in about 15 minutes. Even so, its mobility and ease of use make it a strong contender for tackling bigger cleaning jobs in areas far from an outlet. While the HPW32042's 3200 PSI rating is impressive for a battery-powered washer, I still wouldn't recommend it for heavy-duty concrete cleaning, since the high output needed for those jobs drains the batteries too quickly to be practical. Instead, this machine would be best suited for larger-scale, small to medium-duty projects like long stretches of decking, washing vehicles, patio furniture sets, and light siding work, jobs where its cordless mobility and strong performance really pay off. With a 5-year tool warranty, 3-year battery warranty, and compatibility with other EGO Power Plus tools, it's the best cordless option I've tested for bigger jobs that still demand a decent amount of power. Key specs: Power Weight Cleaning Power Max Flow Rate Motor. Battery 56V 65.6 pounds 3200 PSI 1.2 GPM.